some persons. Once they say Edo State, their eye would go Benin. Once they just say now Edo State the for Apple, their eye not be Benin for Apple, no. You know Apple for Benin, oh, now Uromi is for Apple. Uromi. Now Uromi na a place in Edo State. Now another set of language they also they speak for. They not be Benin that they speak. They na Esan that they speak for there. You understand? I'm not being tribalistic right now. I'm an Edo girl, but a Benin girl, Benin Abi. I just want you people to be clear about this. I am not somebody to put. I know they support this their jungle justice, so at least they supposed to handle them to police if they sure say they be kidnappers. Because according to what we hear, these people they come, they were well armed. They catch them with guns. They catch them. So they suspected them say they be kidnappers because they don't say they kidnap people for Uromi. They don't say they catch people, they injure people. They even keep people for Uromi before. Maybe they make Uromi people do their own this time around. You understand? But the truth is, I don't support jungle justice. But what I can't tell you now this evening, Uromi to Benin, it pass 1 hour. Uromi to Benin, if you want drive, it pass 1 hour. So make anybody not miscalculate and say, na Benin or na Benin. Once say, oh yeah, it don't say, not be Benin or na Uromi. I beg go. So I know say government already take a course. I just say make I tell anybody will like this video say, you know see this one. Yes, I be Benin, not be Benin for Apple. Nothing like jungle justice the Apple for Benin can never. If na Benin this thing for Apple, they don't go kill them never. Fulani plenty for Benin, we don't fit talk that one. They even they terrorize Benin people. They terrorize them for their farm. Not be Benin for Apple na Uromi. Na Uromi people like do them jungle justice. Na death by them. I not say make una say what Fulani they do una Uromi people still say no, I don't talk like that. But this one una do so. I see video where some Esan persons they do. Then they say government don't. If I told you to talk that one, not be Benin for Apple na Uromi for Edo State. I say make I tell you this one.
Okay, my people, we all have heard what that Benin girl said. In Igbo language, there is an adage that says "Oluenke wanne oyana." It means that when a brother remembers his brother, a friend to that his brother will go, which means that brother's love is the ultimate. Benin people have always told us that Esan people are their descendants, Esan people are their brothers, but they mostly use the word descendants. They claim that they are one people with Esan people, but it's not true. If you check the history of Benin and Esan, they have recorded so many wars and invasion, whereby Benin people are invading Esan people, capturing them, using them for slavery and all that. It was when Oba Ozola of Benin in the 1500s went to invade Uromi people that Uromi people captured him and beheaded him. You understand? So they are not one people. One people don't invade each other. One people don't brutalize each other. You can't be calling people who you call snakes as your brothers. There's a Benin adage that says, if you see a snake and you see an Esan person, kill the Esan person first before you kill that snake. That is the adage of Benin people. Now tell me, how come do you think that people that say this kind of adage are one people with Esan people? Benin people don't love Esan people. They are only here for land grabbing. Because in the situation of Nigeria now, Benin people stand alone. They don't identify with Yoruba people. They don't identify with Igbo people. They don't even identify with anybody. They just believe that the entire tribes in South are their descendants. And we are telling them no, that we are not one people with them. We are not their descendants. We are not Yoruba people from Ilefe like Benin people. Benin people are Yoruba people in ancestry. We and Yoma people are Igbos in ancestry. That is the way we are telling you that Esan people have been in that land before Benin people came. Just look at what this girl is saying. And she proved it that we are saying the truth. She just said that Uromi people are speaking a separate language from Benin people. They don't speak the same language. They don't have the same culture and tradition. They are not one people. They were claiming that they are one people with Esan people. The Uromi incident just proved that these Benin people don't really love Esan people. This girl is not the only one saying this thing. There are so many of them saying that Esan people are alone, that Esan people are not one people with Benin people. Just because of this incident that happened in Uromi, they started denying Esan people that they once claimed that are their brothers. Many people will just claim that you are one people with them. But when an issue arises in your region, they will deny you. Just look at what happened in Rivers State. Have you ever seen a Benin person talking about what is happening in Rivers State, talking about the state of emergency in Rivers State? They will never talk about it. They will leave you to your fate. They are claiming Ibanke people and their descendants. Ibanke people are their people. If anything happens in Ibanke land today, Benin people, even their Oba, will not say anything. They will deny you people. Benin people claim that we are Nema people and their descendants and that we are brothers with them. During the Biafra war, when Ukwane people, Ika people, and the Nwana people were running into the land of Benin people for safety, Benin people were the ones killing them, telling the Nigerian army that look at them, Igbo people, Igbo. People who you claim that they are your descendants, you are calling army to kill them, and so many of them were killed. Ask Ika elders, Ukwane elders, Inwane elders for this information that I just told you. They will confirm it to you. People that killed you during the war where you ran into their land, do you think they love you? And the one people that are claiming Benin origin should know that Benin people don't love you. You are not the same with them. People that sold you into slavery for 500 years can never be your brother. They can never defend you. Just look at how they are denying Esan people. People who you claim that they are your brothers, you are denying them. Many Esan people already know that they are not one people with Benin people. Benin people are just land grabbers. All they want is your land, not your interest. They believe that they are older than you. They believe that you are their subjects. That's why when matters arise, they will deny you. They must surely deny you. They are busy online. They are our descendants. When something happens for them, you will deny that person. Some people, they are not speaking the same language with us. So you will drive 1 hour from Uromi before you reach Benin. We are not one people. Now, and it happen. There are different people with us. So just see as soon as they disgrace on herself. A brother does not deny a brother. If brother get matter, now a brother will stand by him. We Igbos are even standing up for Esan people, speaking up for them. We know that what happened in Uromi is not justifiable. We don't support jungle justice, but at least stand by them, defend them. That is how a brother is supposed to do. But now Igbos can't they do what Benin people suppose they do. We Igbos, we love our neighbors. We love all our neighbors in the south. We are here to defend ourselves and to defend our neighbors. Listen to this Ile Ibinu adage concerning Esan people. Not them, not so that they do.
When you see an Esan person and you see a snake, kill the Esan first before the snake.